Hey everyone, welcome to my very first product review. My name is Aaron, and if you clicked on the video, you probably know what this is about, but I'm going to tell you anyway, and I'm going to show you. We are going to be unboxing a set of the Dusk Sunglasses by a company called Ampere. They make some amazing products, like a shower-powered speaker. If I piqued your interest there, go check out their stuff. But I'm going to be talking about these. They feature a special technology called electrochromic lenses. And as I'm unboxing them and trying them on, I'll tell you more about it. Without any further ado, let's get into it. I really want to do this video because I have not seen a lot of videos out that I think do justice to these. That's why I got them, and that's why I'm doing a full review, because I want these glasses to sell, because I think they're amazing. Alright guys, let's get into it. First off, the Dusk Sunglasses by a company called Ampere. This is a really unique name. You may have heard it before. It's not the guitar amp, although sound is energy. But this is the type of amp that is used in household applications. Powering your flashlights, cell phones, cars, everything like that. And that is, I think, why they have chosen this name. Because all of their products are featuring really, really cool technology and how it's powered. As I mentioned, a shower-powered speaker. These glasses are also powered as well. First off, they feature a lot of amazing things. It's app-enabled, obviously, so you can control them using a really nice, clean little app for dialing up and down the transitions of the lenses. You can also make phone calls with Bluetooth through built-in speakers. You can use them with Google or Siri or whatever you use. They can connect with all those types of phones. And let's get into it. Let's just get into it. Nice little case. Dark or light, you choose. Engineered to be worn from dawn till dusk. Welcome to the future of sunglasses. I really do actually believe that. This is really cool. Nice little unbox there. I like that. So this little guy, I've seen in some of the videos. If you have polarized sunglasses, you'll be able to see that he's wearing sunglasses. Really cool. Kind of neat. The Dusk manual. Simple stuff. It's awesome. All stuff like that. You can actually see how to use it with tutorials and all that stuff. Let's see what else we got. Activate your 1-year warranty and get a $20 gift card. That's money. Amazing. Seriously, thanks. Want $100 for a selfie? Every month we'll be giving away $100. Like, dude, they're literally amazing. Okay, let's see here. Simple card. Everything here is made with 100% plastic-free packaging. That's really cool. You have several different sets of nose pads. I was reading in some of the descriptions. These are one-time use. So basically, you know, once you put them on, I think they have a little bit of adhesive on there. They're in there, but you know, we'll get into that later. Okay. Really nice braided cable cord. Especially made for these sunglasses. Oh, very nice. Not too short. I like that. It's like 4 feet. So USB-C, the technology of the future, and a little pin connector charger. So that makes charging these things nice and easy. Let's get this out of the way. A nice neoprene finish case. With, oh cool, it has like, it's like that, the little pouch for opening. You squeeze them and they open up. Bloop. All right, let's see here. Oh man, how cool is that? Oh boy, look at that. Comes with a nice little cloth as well, with the company logo on it. I like that. I like that they actually logoize all of their stuff. Oh, okay. Look at this. Okay. See if you can see it from here. Oh, just like that. Darker, darkest, and light. Oh man, I can't wait to try these things on my face. But let me show you some stuff. So back here, you have the speakers. And over here, you're going to have the phone connection. So you'll have play, pause, next song, previous song. Over here, oh, and you have the charging port. And over here, you will have the button for darkening. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Has 4 different transitions. Oh, let's look at them this way. Can you see that? Okay, here we go. That's pretty amazing. They have 4 different transitions built in, but again, you can dial it literally per 1% in the app. But I don't think I'm going to use the app very often because these glasses do everything I want. So we are going to do a app usage review real quick. So first things first, they have this is going to hurt my ears, but I'm going to do it for you. So if your glasses are on and you left them at a table, they'll beep and annoy everyone until you find them. With a push of a button, you can darken them up, lighten them up. You can also dial them to whatever darkness fits your preference. Pretty cool. You can still, while they're connected to Bluetooth, you can use them by hand, which is what I prefer. But then, I have a setting that just takes it all the way there. Put them back to light again. Pretty neat. And the app is just simple. It's not robust, but the glasses have this feature and sound. I don't need a huge, complicated app for all that. But if you go back into this, you are going to be able to start looking at all of your different things. So if you have, for example, one of their charging pads, you can use that. If you have one of their shower speaker that I mentioned, you can register that all here, and it's all going to come back in here. So this is pretty neat. Yeah, Ampere official. I recommend this site. I recommend this app. I really like these glasses. Catch you next time. So there was the unboxing. I think it went pretty well. I don't know how long they normally take, but whatever. If you're still here, you're here for the features of these glasses, right? So here we go. This is the standard tint level, 38%. It's what's considered off, I guess. But you can see my eyes, and there's not really that much darkness. Not really that bad. You can wear these things in the pitch black, and you're good to go. I've tried it, and you're fine. But let's say the sun is coming up. I want to darken them up a little bit. Still see my eyes, and I can still make out most of the stuff in the room. A little bit darker, and it's nighttime outside, so it's a little darker in my house. And the sun is straight overhead now. Ooh, that's bright. Full darkness. Go into indoors. Darken them or lighten them up. Oh, that's bright. There we go. Good to go. I'm enjoying my day now. The sun's gone down at the end of the day. The application of this is amazing. If you go to a theme park or you go to the beach or whatever, you don't have to worry about carrying around a giant case anymore. You don't even have to carry a bag anymore if you don't want to. You could carry around a cleaning cloth if you felt like it. You don't even need to do that because they're never leaving your head. So you're not going to be touching the lenses when you're, trying to tuck them on here or put them into a glasses case and they get crushed in your backpack, or put them down on top of a tabletop and they get covered in salsa. No, you just walk into your restaurant, lighten them up. If you're at a theme park, you can enjoy them. You don't have to worry about putting them up on your head and them getting lost on a ride or crushed in one of those little storage bins or left behind. You walk from outside the ride. I'm inside the line queue now. I'm walking outside. The sun is at the end of the tunnel. I'll darken them just a little tiny bit. Just a little bit more. All right, full sun. Bam. I need to read this menu. There we go. Lighten them up. Amazing, right? If you're still here, there's still more features. As I said earlier, they have Bluetooth app control. So you can dial these down to percentage levels of darkness or light, depending on what you want. And you can also set presets, which I have one that just says darkest, and you just push a button and they go straight to dark. Although, if I'm not going to lie about this, 4 button pushes and you're full darkness, and then 1 more and you're back to light. They also have Bluetooth speakers. You can see right there, little slit in it. Ooh, there we go. Another slit right there. There's the charger at the bottom. These are going to shoot sound downwards into your ears. It's kind of an ambient listening experience. It's neat because you can hear the world around you, but if you're trying to get like premium sound, these are going to be a little tinny. But I sit in an office sometimes, or if I'm out in the field, I need to be able to hear what's around me. So it's nice to be able to have that kind of transitional sound experience. And I have some music in them. Here we go. And it's plenty loud over my ears right now. And just a quick pause, and it's off. You can do 2 clicks, go to the next song, 3 clicks, repeat, 3 clicks really quick after the first 3 clicks, and reverses a song. That's a really cool technology. These things last, they're supposed to be 7 hours. I got 8 out of them on my first day, no problem. And since then, I listen to like 3 or 4 hours a day, and I was at like 68% at the end of the day. And then 15% or 15 minutes gets you 80% on your charge. A full hour, and you get 100% charge. But one thing that's kind of cool to think about is that if you don't have them connected to Bluetooth, you have like a week to 2 weeks of doing this. So if you were on a vacation, you don't need to take your charger or extra stuff with you. You can just use these as a normal pair of sunglasses that just happens to get darker when you want them to. And then you could lighten them up when you're ready. Amazing, amazing. I recommend these. They're comfortable. I've literally worn them to test them just to see, like, okay, do they squeeze my head or anything? They do not. And you look at me. I'm a big dude, no squeezing. The arms go back pretty far. They fit really nicely. They don't go anywhere. You can put them up on your head. The arms are long enough to hang on if you want them to. But I'm never putting glasses on my head again. Not with these. Hopefully you enjoyed my review. Ask me questions. I'll happily answer them for you. The cool thing is you can get these on the Ampere website. You can also get them on Amazon. And when you register them for their warranty, it asks you, did you get them from Amazon? Yes, I did. Cool, no problem. You can still register them for the full warranty. Get these sunglasses, try them on, try them out. See you next time.